What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I have an unboxing of the Mira CM-I01 gas mask. This is a full face respirator, and I have Mira DOT Pro 330 special combine filter that we're gonna unbox today. I was fortunate enough for Mira to ship me out this gas mask and filter to do a review, and we're gonna open this up and see what it's about.
Ray,
Yeah.
what's the name of that nightclub of yours again?
You talking about the Boom Boom Room?
Yeah, the Boom Boom Room. That's it.
Alright, guys, once again, this is the Mira Safety CM-I01 gas mask. This gas mask is more of an industrial, general purpose use gas mask. This is not a nuclear radiation gas mask. Just because it doesn't give you the complete vacuum seal that you would get with some of the more high quality gas masks. This one is more like you in construction, maybe you got a house fire or something like that. This is more that type of use. So I got my blade here, and we're gonna open this bad boy up. All right, opening the box. See what's in the box. So you get your gas mask. This gas mask has the 5-point harness system, and it is a full face respirator system. So you have the whole panoramic view. It's not just like you just looking out of a pair of goggles. Also in the box, it comes with an instruction booklet. So guys, this gas mask is compatible with all 40mm filters. And if you've been paying attention to what's going on in the state of the world right now, with Trump giving Putin this 50-day deadline and Putin moving nuclear weapons overnight, there is no better time than now to start preparing your family. If it was me and I was watching what's going on in the state of the world right now, I would be stocking up on as many supplies as I can. So take advantage of the 10% off discount coupon code. Okay, this filter here is called the Pro 330, and this filter is mainly for people who work in like construction, or if you're working around some type of chemicals where you're gonna be inhaling different biological inhalants, things that can affect your respiratory system that you can probably get sick of. This is what you will want to use for that. We're gonna unbox this and I'll show you what it looked like. So as of my knowledge of these two products now, I know that the mask has a 10-year shelf life, and I believe the filter has a 10-year shelf life too, but I'm gonna double check that and I'll let you guys know. All right guys, so after double checking, I confirmed that it does have a 10-year shelf life. I just used my trusty knife to slice it open, and safety first. Let's open this filter up. Alright, when you get the filter, it comes protected and it's vacuum sealed plastic. And you don't want to take it out of this plastic until you need to use it, because once you open it out of the plastic, your clock starts to ticking on how long you can use it, because it absorbs all types of bacteria, and the more it's exposed to the air, the more it can attract dust, get clogged up, and shorten the shelf life, or the time period that you have to use this. So it does attract particulates. So you want to leave this stored away in a cool, dark area, and make sure you keep it in this plastic. So as a bonus, Mira was kind enough to give me a bonus code that I'm going to be able to share with you guys that you can use to get an extra 10% off of both of these products. So I'm going to leave my bonus code and my coupon code in the description below, and when you use that code, it'll knock off an extra 10%. And I believe as of right now, today is July 21st, 2025, as of the recording of this video. I believe both of these products are currently on sale right now. So on top of the sale, you'll also get an extra 10% off just for being a subscriber to the channel. So if this is helpful to any of you guys, use the code. Do me a favor, leave me a comment in the description below, or in the comment section below. And I want to thank you guys for checking out the video, and I hope this was able to help one of you guys out.